All right, next one, last one. Oh, not last one, probably more. I'm just doing a hardcore amount of repotting today. So this is the Matelea plant. Like I said, I forget the name. I will look it up and I will make sure I put it on the description, yeah. So, still a small baby. So let's see if I can. So there you go. Actually, so I'm going to double layer this. I'm going to use some of the original soil because that was doing really well already, and then I'm going to then put some more of new soil, and then settle that in. And then I'll put a little bit more of the old soil, which is a finer soil. It has very fine roots, so there we go. Actually, what I'm going to do with this is I'm not going to top dress it until it starts growing back. Actually, no, you know what? That's okay. I'm going to top dress it now. Apparently, keeping the bulb slightly more buried than other plants is good. So let me go and get some top dressing for this. Let's top dress. All right, let's top dress. Oops, wanna poke the fucking bulb, Jesus. Sometimes I'm very gentle with these things, but I've seen people repot them and they're bloody rough, you know. I guess when shit like this is readily available in your country, you don't really care. You're just like, yeah, whatever, man. But here in New Zealand, it's like, it's not easy to find these plants, man. Right? Very difficult. All right, here we go. Here is a little Matelea, blah, 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 blah. I will say in the title, whatever. But there you go. Ready for spring.